Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you a cool website where you can make hundreds or even thousands of dollars every month just for watching videos. This is a great opportunity to make money online, and I want to share it with you today. On this channel, we look at the best websites throughout the internet for you to start making money online. We only focus on legit businesses and methods on this channel. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our videos or updates. Okay, let's visit zoombucks.com. As you can see from the home page here, you earn money for completing surveys, watching videos, and doing offers. If we scroll down here, we can see all of the gift cards they offer in the rewards catalog section. You can also see they have a PayPal option for people who want to be paid in cash. Stay around so I can show you just what's possible on this website. Zoombucks has the largest catalog of free gift cards and free cash rewards for you to choose from. Earning rewards with Zoombucks couldn't be easier. You accumulate points, and once you reach the minimum number of points, you can redeem for PayPal cash or a gift card. It doesn't take long to complete these tasks and watch the videos. There are so many videos for you to choose from. You don't even have to actually watch the videos. You just click on them and go make a coffee. You can do a lot of these in your spare time. This is a legit website offering real cash outs. They have a great review on Trustpilot, so you can see that they're definitely a big favorite amongst online entrepreneurs just like you. The website works like this. Advertisers want engagements for their surveys, products, and services. They recruit members who get paid for completing the tasks. And then, you join to become one of those paid members. It's that simple. I know there's a lot of scam websites out there, but we can assure you, each site we make a video on has been tested by ourselves, so you can make money without worrying about which site is legit and which sites are scams. So remember to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our Make Money Online uploads. Until next time, aim high.